It's a gorgeous L5030 HST cab with heat and AC, a radio, a Woods BH9000 ground breaker backhoe on the back here. Full frame, dual rear hydraulic remotes. Lines ran from the rear to the front for front hydraulics. This tractor only has 905 hours on it. It comes with the quick attach bucket on the front there, an L5030 loader on there. It came in with some bubbled front tires. They were getting weak and old, so we just went ahead and put brand new front tires on both sides. The rears were in decent shape. Those are still about 85% or more. Really nice unit here. Definitely not going to last long. Our price point on it is $34,500. Has absolutely no issues. Customer just upgraded to a 70 horse cab loader backhoe and just traded it in. We just went through everything, changed a few filters and things here and there, but all in all, she's running great. It's going to be an awesome buy for somebody that's looking for a tier 3 emissions tractor. So no DEF fluid, no DPF fluid filter, no DPF filter on here, no regen. This is as awesome as it gets. Kind of pretty new, not super old. It's an L5030. Exact year, I don't have the exact year currently. I'm going to try and work on getting that. But either way, all in all, non-emissions tractor, cab, loader, backhoe, heat and AC, dual rear remotes, front hydraulics. This Groundbreaker 9000 backhoe runs between 10 and 13,000 right now on any tractor brand new. So just to add to you how much this backhoe really costs. So not a chintzy little backhoe at all for a tractor. It's one of the bigger options they have. Anyways, my name's Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. We can help you out on this tractor. Give us a call. It is the middle of January right now. I'm sure this tractor won't last long. It's very clean, not many hours, and non-emissions. If I can help you out, give us a call, 413-253-5456. Visit us on our website at www.orchardhillsales.net or shoot me an email at info@orchardhillsales.com, or come check us out on Route 9 in Belchertown, Massachusetts. Got over 30 used tractors in stock at all times and over 100 new ones. Thanks guys, have a great day.